Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we are back in San Francisco, California at Heritage. I don't even know what part this is, part 2, 3, 4, 5, but we're finishing the second phase of this property where we're installing a custom bollard for the ADA button at the front of the building and adding 2 more cameras in the front. So it's a third access control door and about 9 more cameras around the property, or 7 more cameras around the property total, I think. But we're about to take you through that video. Let's check it out. The front of the building, and the aesthetics of this was has to be like approved by like a committee and maintained to make sure that it keeps the look. So our conduit that was installed kind of hidden by the trees and then over the windows, those are going to be painted by someone to match the brick later.
So, I don't know if it's just going to be a matter of going like at an angle to get out there, or if we can just, it'd be nice if we just go straight so we don't have to dick around with it. But yeah, we can just go straight in. I would like to be straight in, like right here, because then we can just take our conduit like that. Yeah, do a little LB and then.
And we're coming up around this.
We're going to go on this side, just like that side, how we're going around this and coming back over.
Okay.
Because it's going to be right above us here on the corner, just like that one.
Okay.
Yeah, Brian, bending conduit on site. He's been doing a ton of that lately.
Hello.
You don't have to be that.
No, we're drilling through the brick and concrete to get power to the cameras. So we're drilling through the brick and concrete for the shortest distance, cleanest looking deal or whatever.
And there's actually like a room under here?
There's a crawl space. You have to crawl probably about 30 feet. Yeah.
Okay.
That looks pretty lined up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I would say so.
So he's installing both the cameras left and right. This is how the conduit work. Adding the final touch to get underneath the building there, which you can almost walk in when you get underneath that building. It's pretty tall in the beginning, but then you got to crawl around the back. Here you guys mounting that Mount 2, Mount 8 combo for Verkada. This is a CD52. And this camera not only has the front door, but it's also paired to the access control. So you can see who's coming and going with the lock, with that front door lock.
conduit up. Looks damn good, if I do say so myself. Cameras.
Brian pumped. He did do a lot of that stuff by himself there, looking good. Okay, right here, that's the custom bollard I was talking about. So this one was ordered special to match the exterior of the building here. Where originally we're thinking we're gonna have to come through the side mullion to get the wire to this bollard. But since this walkway, the stairway that was added later after the building was built, we can actually crawl under there, and so our wires go directly through the base of that bollard into it. So our access control AD31 card reader is right on top of the bollard, and then that accesses the strike in the door, and they had an existing A-phone system installed which also still works, so they can still talk to people back and forth, buzz phone system, or use the Verkada system. So right there you can see the camera on the left, you can see the camera on the right. All that will get painted red to match. You can both see the stairway, the street, and coming in the building, which is pretty cool. So that's it, we're finally finished with that project. Even though the customer I think is coming back with a couple more doors and another fisheye or two in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have a big project that seems like overwhelming, you need help with getting cables all over the place on a giant city block, or you got a high rise or whatever else you got going on that's tricky, we'll be able to figure it out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Later.